While beauty products and cosmetics have become a way of life to keep your skin looking flawless, they do have their side effects. Certain root vegetables like carrot, with their antioxidant, anti-aging properties, help to keep your skin healthy. The beta-carotene in carrots is converted into vitamin A in your body. A is for awesome because vitamin A promotes firm, elastic, and healthy skin. In this video, I'm gonna share with you cream for lightening your face. All we need here is 2 teaspoons of carrot juice, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of argan oil. Argan oil skin benefits: boosts elasticity, hydrates skin, to prevent dry and flaky skin, prevents and reduces stretch marks. The skin regeneration and repair qualities of argan oil help to reduce inflammation and minimize stretch marks. Prevent and minimize sunspots. Argan oil contains a physical filter against UV light, which therefore helps to prevent sun damage. And its skin repair qualities, including vitamin E, help to fade sunspots, resulting in happy, glowing skin. Controls oily skin. Argan oil regulated sebum production, so your skin is hydrated and won't begin to overproduce. This is especially useful if you already have oily skin. Reduces breakouts. Reducing sebum production helps to prevent clogged pores leading to breakouts. Prevents wrinkles. Due to its highly nourishing and sun protective qualities, skin aging caused by dry skin and sun damage are reduced. Mix all the ingredients together and keep it in a container in the refrigerator for 1 week. Clean your skin before applying this cream. Apply it in circular motion and massage for about 5 minutes before sleeping. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. And thank you so much for watching.